welcome back to another video. Guys, we are going to be checking out Someone Like You by Angelina Jordan. This is actually a sound enhancement. But yeah, if you're listening for the first time, I'm Adali Surya. Please like this video, subscribe for more, and let's dive into this video, okay? She's looking beautiful already.
Settle down, that you're found girl angel midnight. I heard that your dreams came true. I guess she gave you things.
Yo, it's something different about Angelina's song because definitely, if you really are feeling something, you obviously go emotional. This song is actually a romantic and a very emotional song, and I love the way she's picking it. She's picking it in a way like I really don't even know how to explain it, but this is amazing. Okay, let's continue.
I didn't give to you, oh, friend. Why are you so shy? Ain't I cute to hold back? Oh, hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I hope you see my face, that you'll be reminded that for me it isn't over.
It is over. Like, yo, this is beautiful. I don't want to go emotional, but Angelina Jordan is someone that delivers when it comes to song. I don't think this song is hard, but this is Adele's song, I think so. But the way she's taking it out, like, she is actually a good musician, and her vocal sound, I've never seen it before. I've never seen her vocal sounding anywhere apart from her. And this is so. She has a very different her. This is actually love song, and if you've actually loved someone that you actually love, you will understand the release of the song. Yeah. Actually, I don't know, but this is so amazing. The sound she's using to sing the song is really touching, and I understand as well. Okay.
Of the blue, but invited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I hope you see my face, and that you'll be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. To come forget me, I'll beg.
I'm just literally holding my tears back, because I'm feeling the song. I don't know, I'm just holding my tears back because I'm feeling the song in a different way. I understand. I don't know. I don't understand. I don't even understand my feelings, but I'm just feeling this song in a different way that I don't even understand myself. I'm just, I'm usually holding my tears back.
Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I'll beg. I remember you said sometimes it's to love, sometimes it hurts instead. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I'll beg. I remember you said sometimes it's to love, and sometimes it hurts instead.
I don't know. I don't know. I told you guys the song got me differently, and I don't know how I'm feeling already, but I don't even know how to continue with the song. But I'm fine. It actually hit me with a differently way. Reacting to the song, I really connected with the song, and I also felt emotional when singing with her. You know, well, I don't even know what I'm feeling, but I'm okay. I'll definitely be fine because that is when it gets when you feel connected with someone, right? So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you on our next one.